Hi guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. If you feel like practicing or going along with the video, you can download the sample file in the description. Also, if you have any doubts, don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and to subscribe. So let's get started. So on a previous video, I showed you how to round numbers in Excel by using the round formula. So you might recall that you round numbers by using the round formula, selecting your number, and then I'm going to press a 0 because I don't want any digits, and I'm gonna close the parentheses, and I'm gonna copy this formula down. So in this case, Excel is gonna round the cell B2, which is 20.49, to the closest number, which is 20. And on the other case, on cell B3, the closest number is 21. So if the decimal number is less than 5, Excel is going to round it down. And if the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, Excel is going to round it up. But what happens if you want to round down all of your numbers? In that case, we're going to be using the round down formula. So I'm going to type in here the equal sign, and I'm going to type round, but this time I'm going to type the word down. And be careful when typing this formula down, because you have to type the letter D twice. Then you're gonna open up the parentheses, and we're gonna select the cell B2. And still, I don't want any decimal numbers, so I'm gonna type 0, and I'm gonna close parentheses. And after this, I'm going to press enter, and I'm gonna copy this formula down to the other cell. So what happened this time? You can see that for the first number, there is no difference between using the round formula or the round down formula. We got the same result of 20. But what happened on the second case of 20.5? By using just the round formula, we got a 21, which is an upper number. But when we use the round down formula, Excel rounded the 20.5 to 20. So there's gonna be times when you need the results of column D instead of column C. So that's when the round down formula comes in handy. In a different video, I'm going to show you how to use the round up formula to get the opposite result. Alright guys, I hope that video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. Also, don't forget that you can download the sample file in the description below. So, thanks again, and see you next time!